Hello Dodge truck fans and Matchbox King Size fans. This is a Dodge Michigan train from the 1960s era from Matchbox. I am the original owner. This in later years was made into a very attractive desk set. Was on my desk for years. Big issue I had with it. Customers occasionally would bring in children into the office and they couldn't keep their hands off of it. It is wired down to the plaque, and since it is wired down, I really can't pick it up and give you the numbers or the information from the bottom of the truck. I will try to capture that from the internet and post it in the video screen here, so you can have that information. This is a little 11 axle truck, including the steer axle to emulate a Michigan train. The rear axles of the front dump and all the axles on the rear dump are single tired. They'd really be duals like on the tractor. I don't know if anybody was running any trailers with big single wheels on back in the 60s, but that's a very modern looking dump bed that probably some manufacturer still has in use today. The design would probably be aluminum. It does not say Fruhoff on it, though Fruhoff did make a dump of that style, and Matchbox did model Fruhoff trailers in their history at the time. Exhaust is swept back. I probably did that playing with it as a child. The dump beds do raise up. The front does not hold, but the back does. And this unit did get some outside playtime. Sure did. I wasn't a collector that let my toys sit on a shelf. They got used. But it survived pretty well over time. Typical issue with the Matchbox is you get a little tire shrinkage or wheel shrinkage and the wheels want to come off. A little touch of super glue keeps them on for a couple more years. You have to touch that up every once in a while. But this is a great replica of the Dodge with the air cleaners on it. Was a great toy, great looking vehicle. Still is today. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe. Hope to show you more of the Matchbox collection in the future. Thank you, and have a great day.